Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to do another demonstration of our custom printed film that we offer. It's really great. A lot of people are enjoying it and really taking the benefits of having your own custom design printed on a hydrographic film. So this is something that's done exclusively through us, Liquid Concepts. You can check it out on the website, liquidconcepts.com. So today what we've got is we have a customer that is wanting a custom flag on his Mustang symbols here, and he's wanting them to look like they're tattered and worn and tore off back towards the end. Alright, so what we've got here is we've got our custom film, and we're going to lay out this pattern. So we've got a couple of them here because we've got a couple of different horses, but we'll go ahead and get this all ready to go. So cut this off, cut that out. Alright, so one thing you want to make sure of whenever you're peeling off the film is there's two different sides to this film. You have the printed side right here, and then you have the paper side. Alright, so whenever you get any of the film from us, you're going to have the printed side is going to be up top. And so what you want to do is, now this is very important because you don't want to tape it before this. Alright, so don't tape it before you do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to set it on the table just like this, lay it out, right? And then you're going to grab this edge right here and you're going to hold down just like that. Alright, and then once you hold it down, just pull it back ever so slightly just like this, and you'll see it comes off super easy. So had a couple of people asking about it. They were having some issues with it wanting to peel and then the backing coming off, and if you do that, it's going to work every single time. So the backing you can go ahead and throw away. And so this was the exact way that the pattern looked whenever we pulled it off. And so essentially the bottom side of that, the paper side, that's going to be the side that goes down on the water. This side right here, the side that you're looking at, that's going to go up every single time. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll tape this. And so we'll run a piece of tape down through here, and main reason is we want to make sure that the film is held together, and also too that it doesn't stretch or warp or anything like that. And of course we want our pattern to look as best as possible because it is a custom design print. So we'll go ahead and cut that off, get that out of the way. So now what we're going to have is we're going to have our Mustang right here, and it's going to be waving in the checkered flag pattern. Alright, so we'll pull this up, get it in the tank, and show you guys a little bit. Looks like that didn't stick. Alright, so we'll get this in the tank here and get started. Alright, so coming over to the tank here, we've got our tank set at about 83 degrees. Pretty much anywhere between 80 to 90 degrees is going to work really well. And so we'll go ahead, start our timer, and while the timer's going, 1 minute, 80 to 90 degrees, we're going to go ahead, pull our dividers in, and kind of pull that in a little bit, contain the film, and then we'll wait the minute. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be spraying this with the Liquid Concepts activator. Now other activators should work just the same, but again we use all the Liquid Concepts activators. So if you are used to another activator, it's perfectly fine. You can use it if you'd like and see how that works out. So let me grab some gloves on and we'll get started. Alright, so we got 1 minute on the water, and so what we're going to do is we're going to spray the activator. So everything looks like it's glossed out really well, and so we've got our horse, and now we're going to dip it right down in, just like that. So we'll swirl it around, pull it back out, and there you go. That is a completely custom image that looks like it was just airbrushed. So if you have any questions or anything, definitely give us a call. Call us at 501-455-5500, or you can also send us an email and check out the website, of course, liquidconcepts.com. So if you have any questions, definitely give us a shout, and we'll hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.